covers the use case collaborative maintenance and service. It focuses on work order collaboration powered by SAP Business Network. As a maintenance manager, you lack common maintenance processes between asset stakeholders, which leads to process inefficiency. The absence of a single platform for internal and external collaboration also hinders resource optimization and utilization. And with no single source of truth, you are challenged with siloed information and ultimately increased maintenance costs. SAP Business Network Asset Collaboration enables your maintenance operations to collaborate with your service providers on a common work order. Seamless process and system integration for end-to-end work order collaboration across internal and external stakeholders allows you to gain better process efficiency. Furthermore, with a shared platform of digital twins and work orders, you can increase transparency, making your company and your partners better able to align and collaborate on a single source of truth. These benefits also drive improved performance and safety by enabling efficient, reliable, and safe task completion with service technicians having on-demand access to the very latest safety instructions. These key capabilities for collaborative maintenance and service, enabled by SAP Business Network, empower you as a maintenance manager to increase work order transparency with a single source of truth, shared among internal and external stakeholders. You can enhance collaboration using a common, real-time platform for work order planning and execution, leading to improved operational efficiency through reduced maintenance cost, MRO inventories, and wrench time. In this demonstration, you will see work order collaboration between the asset operator and service provider for equipment maintenance. The scenario starts with a routine inspection by the maintenance technician by creating a maintenance request. Then, as a maintenance planner, you receive a maintenance request for a faulty pump. Following review and approval of the maintenance request, you plan and schedule the work based on criticality and resources. You share the work order with your service provider. The service provider will then assess the work scope and timeline and accept the work order. The external service technician begins maintenance execution according to schedule. Once completed with the tasks and documentation, the service technician submits the work confirmation back to the maintenance planner for final review and closure of the maintenance activity. Let's have a look into the end-to-end collaboration. As a maintenance technician, you are alerted to a pump vibrating unusually in the plant. You refer to the SAP Business Network Asset Collaboration solution to look up the equipment details and investigate further. You scan the barcode on the pump to access the equipment information through the Lookup app. The asset has been identified. You now have access to all the latest equipment information. Before creating a maintenance request for repair, you check the data sheet and the pump's digital twin. Upon review of the structure and parts data, you see that the issue affects a critical subassembly of the pump. Thus, you look at the visual parts and identify the exact part for the maintenance request. With the correct part identified, you create the maintenance request for the maintenance planner. You select the Maintenance and Service tab on the Equipment page and click on New. As the pump is critical to your operations, you set the priority to Very High and enter a description of the issue, pump vibration out of tolerance, and request this to be checked. By creating the maintenance notification from the field, the process continues, moving from the maintenance technician to the next step with the maintenance planner. Now, as the maintenance planner, you review your maintenance planning overview page in SAP S/4HANA Asset Management. You immediately see that you have an outstanding notification for screening. You navigate to the Demand Screening app and see the maintenance request details logged by the field maintenance technician. The request is high priority, so you promptly create the needed work order. You select the maintenance notification to screen it and convert it into a work order by pressing the Create Orders button. You set the order type to a corrective maintenance order. Then you navigate to the Maintenance Orders app to plan the work order and set the dates accordingly. You edit the order to detail the tasks and add the estimated work duration, and then save it to progress with the process. Now that the maintenance order is planned, you share the work order details to collaborate with your service provider. Thanks to the seamless integration with SAP S/4HANA, you see the new work order directly in SAP Business Network Asset Collaboration. You select the new work order from the list, press the Share button, and choose the preferred service provider. You want your service provider to be able to update the work accordingly, so you check and assign the access privileges before sharing it with them. Now, from the perspective of the service provider, you review the orders shared by the maintenance planners of your customers. They operate the equipment that you service. Using SAP Business Network Asset Collaboration, you view your Launchpad and select the Work Orders app. You check the new work order sent to you, reviewing the basic information, then the operations provided by the operator. By pressing the Feed icon here, you could provide feedback to the operator, but in this case, everything looks fine, and you are ready to perform the work. As you accept the work, you note that you are confirming acceptance based on your SLA with your customer, and you press OK to communicate the work order acceptance to your customer, the maintenance planner at the company operating the pump. Now the service technician is ready to perform the work. As the service technician, you are responsible for carrying out the maintenance on the pump. You too use the SAP Business Network Asset Collaboration solution to access the central work order. It gives you a single view of all information needed while on the job. From the work order details, you see all relevant information provided, such as the faulty equipment, the functional location, and the level of priority of the work, the list of operations, and its timelines. You check the data sheet of the pump's digital twin to do a further assessment. You also check the structure and parts data to see the list of spare parts assigned to the digital twin. You check the documentation linked to the equipment in the corresponding section. Upon review of all the information available, you check the overall asset hierarchy where the pump is installed in the plant section. Once you have completed the work, you confirm the completion on the operation section. You select the operation you would like to create a confirmation for and click on New Confirmations. You enter the actual work quantity and respective duration of the work, and then attach a photo as evidence of the issue. Once the confirmation details have been registered, you save and submit the confirmation to the maintenance planner for final review and acceptance. Back on the operator side, you, as maintenance planner, review the completed work for approval. From the confirmation section of the work order app, you see that a new confirmation has come in from the service provider. You validate the details. All looks good, so you complete the work order. The collaboration status is set to finally completed, and the updates flow to the maintenance order in SAP S/4HANA, ready for technical completion and closure. In this demonstration, you have seen how collaboration between the operator and service provider has resulted in the efficient repair of a critical pump, successfully mitigating the risk of equipment failure and unplanned downtime. With SAP Business Network, you have a powerful solution to increase work order transparency, enhance collaboration, and improve operational efficiency across maintenance and service.